This is the Zeblaze Beyond. It's a beautiful AMOLED screen, always on capable smartwatch. You got lots of different controls, a flashlight. You can lock out the screen, so you have to push the button to activate it. Do not disturb. Twist your wrist to see the time is available, and overall settings, which include tons of things, access to a variety of watch faces, overall brightness from super low all the way up to bright enough to easily see outdoors and everything in between. Always on display, where you can have either a digital or analog display. We'll show you that at the very end on the digital one, and set your activation time so it doesn't wake you up in the middle of the night or stay on all night. You got all kinds of other settings in here as well. In addition to that, you have notifications sent from your phone if you have it tethered, and heart rate, showing you your current daily heart rate, blood oxygen readings that you can take, and it uses that fancy red diode technology once it gets started that gives you a better accuracy on your overall reading. You've got last night's sleep time information, more details in the app when it transfers the data over. You've got weather in any city you put in Fahrenheit or centigrade, a music player that will remotely play music, no speaker or microphone in this one. It's 5 ATM waterproof, however. And you've got your step count and your goal information on here. Overall watch faces on it as well. Press the side button and you get all these other goodies, including a variety of activities. We do have GPS in this one, and it's highly accurate. So for outdoor running and cycling and walking, you have GPS tracks available that you can see over in the app. You've got your summary of your activity. You've also got heart rate, blood oxygen. You've got a stopwatch. You've got countdown timer capability, music player, weather in your area, a breathing exercise, inhale and exhale, and you can set the rate. So if you've been exercising heavily, obviously you can't breathe slowly. You can actually set fast recovery right there. You've got flashlight again, notifications, find your phone, and overall settings. And when it's on and you wait for it to time out, which you can set from 5 to 20 seconds, if you have it activated, it will flip into this always on digital or analog display, giving you the date, time, and step count. Beautiful watch, really thin, really light. Excellent build quality, animated watch face. It's the Zeblaze Beyond. Check it out.